In the corporate environment, someone else's promotion is not a proof that you are failing. Career growth happens differently for everyone, especially when it comes to the corporate environment. What matters most is for you to prepare well and adjust yourself and be ready for opportunities that may come your way day in, day out, either weekly, monthly, or yearly. Comparing your career to others constantly creates frustration and insecurity among oneself. So ensure that you avoid comparing your career to others. You can look up to others whilst building yourself, but stop comparing your steps, that is your career, to that of others. Thank you very much for watching. You can subscribe to this channel for more contents like this. At AG Professional Services, we do it right. Thank you for watching. I'm out.